Hello, everybody. Welcome to Passive Money. This is your host, CJ. And yes, it's been a while. Took a little time off, travel, spend time with family. But let's start by saying Happy New Year. And I hope this 2022 brings the best for everybody. Now, today we're going to be talking about cryptos. When is the best time to buy? Now, I get it. A lot of people, the crypto market is currently down. A lot of people are wondering, did they make a mistake? Why did they put in the money? Why did they put in their money? And then all of a sudden, it now decides to, go south. You are not alone. When the market is down, a lot of people get affected. But there's always a bright side. Just like a ball that bounced, every single time it goes down, it always comes back up. So don't be scared, don't be worried, don't start dumping and selling because the market is down and you don't want to lose your money. If you're already in negative, do not sell. Do not sell, wait for it, it will come back up. Now, there's this saying, and I 100% believe it. The bull market makes you feel good about your portfolio. But what makes you rich is the bear market. What makes you rich is the bear market. When market is down, that's the time to buy. That's the time to buy. Even if your portfolio is negative, if you still have some funds, that's the time to buy. Now, when you're buying at this stage, you focus on cryptos, projects that are, studied, projects that are, they already have direction, guidance, already have their plan laid out. In that way, you are guaranteed, practically guaranteed, to come back around, and move back up when the market turns around. Now, this is, it wouldn't be a time to start getting into things that are already, unstable, fishy. I really wouldn't use the word fishy, but, projects that still don't have really any direction. That wouldn't be the time, because these are the projects that might fizzle away. Not saying that any particular one is, I'm not calling any names. However, this is the time to get into projects that are stable, projects that already make sense, that have direction. If you look at the market now, you can see that things like, let's check. Something like Bitcoin, I think it went all the way down to 38, 39. It's coming back up now, probably somewhere 41, 42, 43. Ethereum was down to almost 3K. It's, now 3.2. Things like Cardano, that at some point in time was at $2 something, close to 3. It's all the way down to $1.39 now. So these projects, something like Ada, something like Solano, these projects are stable, and we know it's just a matter of time. When the market turns around, they're gonna turn back around with the market. So this is the time to buy, guys. Don't let fear force you to sell on things that you have, especially if you're already negative. Now, if you're not negative, I have this theory. If it's either you are holding or you're trading. If you're holding, and these two aspects, holding just means, come rain, come shine, you have bought it, you leave it there, give it like a few years and see where it goes. Trading is, buy it, and when it goes up a little, you sell it. If it goes up and for some reason you keep thinking it will keep going up and it turns back down, you sell it before it goes past what you bought it at. So that would be trading, that's holding. Now these two things over time we've kind of seen that it evens out to the same thing. However, the person that's constantly trading, may or may not lose out because they sold early or they sold and then it did not go back down anymore. However, the person holding on a longer term usually bears the better fruit. That being said, if you're negative, if you're down, do not rush and sell. Don't dump. Don't dump out of fear. The market will turn back around and your portfolio will turn back around. Another important thing is, like I already said, if you have some more funds, it's always good to average down. So if you bought something high, you already did your research, you feel the project is solid, you buy it and it starts heading down or the market starts going down, if you have funds, it's always a good idea to buy some more. It's always a good idea to average down. So, you bring down your average cost. A good example of this right now, it's Baby Doge. Now, Baby Doge, I originally bought Baby Doge at, when it was 8 zeros and 3 or 4 or 5. And sometime later, the market crashed. It dropped from 8 zeros and 4, 5 and dropped all the way to like 9 zeros and 5. So I bought some more. I bought a lot more. And, now that Baby Doge is doing better, let's see what it is. Where is that right now? So right now is at, 8 zeros, 5, 8 approximately. So because I bought more when it went to 9 zeros and 5, 9 zeros and 4, I was able to average down on my average cost. So now that is back up, I'm not where I was if I hadn't averaged down. I'm already, in a green. So that's something to consider. Now, Baby Doge is a newer project. It's a young project. It still has ways to go. However, they've already accomplished a lot. They have a swap. They're coming out with a debit card, a crypto debit card. So these are definitely things that are working in their favor now. It's something I believe I've done a video before on this, encouraging people to, consider these newer projects that have a lot of potential, because you start off not investing a lot, as opposed to projects that are already stabilized. Now, of course, there's a risk to getting into something when it's a lot earlier. So, it's, there's always a catch-22 to it. However, what makes you a millionaire, what gets you to the finish line faster, is projects that have a lot of room to grow. So when you buy something that it's already up there, for instance, if you get into Bitcoin now, you are probably at the safest level of investing. However, before Bitcoin goes 100%, there's going to be a lot of altcoins that would go thousands and thousands of percent. So it's always something to keep in mind. The altcoins usually have a lot more room to grow as long as their project is viable. It's always worth considering. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to clear out, have a lot of people are contacting me, asking me what I think about the market, and if crypto is going or gone. I don't think crypto is going anywhere. Some people are actually wondering if if it could be likened to like the dot-com bubble. No, that's not happening. Crypto is here to stay. Crypto is not the dot-com bubble. Crypto is here to make waves, and it's branching out. NFTs, it's not going anywhere. So guys, if you've not invested, you need to get into crypto. It will be a great time now that the market is down. It will be a great time to get in that way. You would have entered at the bottom, and that's just something that I recommend. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you buy any token, but at the same time, I definitely think that it's worth getting into. So guys, good luck with your investing. Again, happy new year. 2022 is gonna make a new set of millionaires, and I hope you're one of them. Best of luck, and see you on the flip side.